The last class we started our new chapter and we discussed some ideas how to we identify the given points or the vertices of a triangle and how to we identify the given points are collinear or not, and how to we analyze if the points form a quadrilateral, what is the nature of that quadrilateral, what is the kind of that quadrilateral. Correct? So we discussed one question also in the last class, so we go the next one. Then next we discussing the question like this: determine if the points 3, 1, 6, 4, 8, 6 are collinear. We want to verify the given points are collinear or not. Okay, then we know how to be identify, how to be check the points are collinear or not. For that, we find here we are finding the distance between 2 points. Correct? The distance between the all of the 2 points what are given here. Then after we just adding the smallest ones, the smallest two distance. If we get the sum is equal to the total, that means the larger one, then we conclude is a collinear. Otherwise, they are not a collinear. Correct. So first we give the name for each point. The first we choosing the first point as the name A31, B64, and C86. Okay, A31, B64 and C86. So next we finding the distance between A and B, A and C, and B and C. Okay, so we using the equation, so we are writing the equation commonly. That one is distance is equal to formula root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Okay, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So first, therefore AB is equal to root of, then AB, what is x1 y1? x1 y1 is 3 1, x2 y2 is 6 4. So we substituting the value, what do you get? 3 minus 6 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square is equal to root of 3 minus 6 is minus 3, minus 3 square plus this also minus 3 square. Then root of minus 3 square is 9 plus then 9 is equal to root 18. Okay, root 18. Then here we not have a perfect square root for 18, we know. So in this cases we just factorize and reduce the 18, the smallest form. We know that we already done in the last year. Then 18, we factorizing 18, then 2, yes, 9, 3, 3, 1. Correct. So for finding the square root of 18, we just write only 1. Okay, then we write 2 into 3 into 3. Then here we have the pair for only 3. Then each pair we take 1 in out for finding the square root. Square root കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ ഓരോ പെയറിനും ഒന്ന് പുറത്തേക്ക് എടുക്കും. So the 1 3 will come out, but the 2 is remaining there in the inside of root because 2 not have a pair. Then how to we reduce root 18? Root 18 is 3 root 2. Okay, then next we finding the distance between B and C. BC is equal to root of, equation is same, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. x1 y1 is 6 4, x2 y2 is 8 6. Then how to do? Yes, 6 minus 8 whole square plus 4 minus 6 whole square is equal to root of 6 minus 8 is minus 2 square plus 4 minus 6 also minus 2 square, then is equal to minus 2 square is 4 plus 4. Then what is 4 plus 4? Yes, it's very clear, that one is root 8. Correct? Then how to we reduce root 8? Root 8 is equal to, yes, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 1. Correct? Then we get one pair for here. Then how to we write? Then each pair, one will come out, then one is remaining inside the root. So the smallest form is 2 root 2. Then what is the smallest form of root 8? The smallest form is 2 root 2. Then next we have one more distance from A to C. So we finding AC. Then AC is equal to root of, yes, 3 minus 8 whole square. 3 minus 8 whole square plus, yes, 1 minus 6 whole square. 1 minus 6 whole square. Then is equal to root of 3 minus 8 is equal to minus 5. Minus 5 square plus, yes, this also minus 5 square. Then minus 5 square is 25. This one is 25. Then root 25 plus 25 is 50. Then how to we write? Yes, 50. We factorize 25. Yes, 5, 5, 5. Correct? Then we have the pair for 5. There is no pair for 2. Then is equal to 5 root 2. Okay, so we got it, all the distance, or the distance between all the points AB, BC and AC. Then what are the smallest one? All the distance are irrational numbers, correct? So we just taking, if we want to add, we want to get all the irrational numbers same, correct? The one is in the form of 3 root 2, then surely for adding we want to get the other one is also in the form of 3 root 2. അല്ലേ, നമുക്ക് കിട്ടിയിരിക്കുന്ന ഇറാഷണൽ നമ്പേഴ്സ് എല്ലാം ഒരേ ഇറാഷണൽ നമ്പറിൻ്റെ ഫോമിലായിരിക്കണം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി പറ്റില്ല, ആഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി പറ്റില്ല. കാരണം റൂട്ട് 2 ഉള്ള ഒരു നമ്പറിനോട് നമുക്ക് എന്ത് മാത്രമേ ആഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ? ഒരു റൂട്ട് 2 ഉള്ള നമ്പർ മാത്രമേ ആഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. സോ യു ജസ്റ്റ് ചെക്ക് if all the irrational numbers are same here in all the cases. Okay, yes, if answer is yes, then it may be a collinear, be possible to adding there. Okay, if we got the different irrational number, then it's very clearly we say it's not possible to add. It's not possible to add means they are not a collinear. Okay, here is possible to add, so we checking what are the numbers: 3 root 2, 2 root 2 and 5 root 2. So what are smallest ones? Yes, it's very clear, the distance from A to B and B to C is smallest, correct? 3 root 2 and 2 root 2. This one is 5 root 2 is greater than comparing these two. So we adding AB and BC. Okay, therefore AB plus BC is equal to, AB is 3 root 2. 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2. What is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2? Yes, is 5 root 2. What is 5 root 2? 5 root 2 is AC. Got it? The sum of the two distance is equal to the measurement of larger one, correct? AB plus BC is equal to AC. So we conclude, therefore the points are collinear. Okay, so what we concluded here, we concluded the points are collinear. Okay, if we not get the sum is equal to larger one, then we conclude they are not collinear. Okay, our next question is like this. The question says, find a relation between x and y such that the point xy is equidistant from the point 7, 1 and 3, 5. Okay, then the word equidistant, the equidistance is the main word we use in this chapter. Okay, then equidistance means then equal distance. Okay, then what is the question? The question asks to find a relation between x and y such that the point xy is equidistant from the point 7, 1 and 3, 5. അല്ലേ, എന്താണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി പറഞ്ഞത്? ഇവിടെ റിലേഷൻ ഫോം ചെയ്യാനാണ് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്. റിലേഷൻ ഫോം ചെയ്യുക എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? വി വാണ്ട് ടു മേക്ക് എൻ ഇക്വേഷൻ, ഓക്കെ, ഇൻ ടേംസ് ഓഫ് എക്സ് ആൻഡ് വൈ. റിലേഷൻ മേക്ക് ചെയ്യുക എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? എക്സിലും വൈയിലുമുള്ള ഒരു ഇക്വേഷൻ ഫോം ചെയ്യുക എന്നാണ്. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ ഫോർ making an equation, what is given here is given, we have the 3 points. The first point is xy, and second point is 7 1, and the third point is 3 5. Then what is the relation of these 3 points is given. The xy is equidistant from these 2 points. xy എന്ന് പറയുന്ന കോർഡിനേറ്റ് വരുന്ന പോയിന്റ് ഈ രണ്ട് പോയിന്റിൽ നിന്നും എങ്ങനെയാണുള്ളത്? ഇക്വി ഡിസ്റ്റൻസിലാണ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഈക്വൽ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസിലാണ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഫസ്റ്റ് വി ജസ്റ്റ് ഗിവൺ വൺ നെയിം ഫോർ ദ പോയിന്റ്. ദെൻ ലെറ്റ് ദ പോയിന്റ് പി എക്സ് വൈ. ഓക്കെ, വി ജസ്റ്റ് ഗിവ് ദ നെയിം ഫോർ എക്സ് വൈ, ദ കോർഡിനേറ്റ് എക്സ് വൈ, ദ നെയിം ഈസ് പി. പി എക്സ് വൈ ഈസ് equidistant from A71 and B35. Okay, is given the point P is equal distance from A and B. Then how do we denote the distance from P to A? Yes, the distance from P to A we are denoting PA. Correct. Then how do we denote the distance from P to B? That we are denoting as PB. Okay, then is given here the distance from P to A is equal for distance from P to B. അതാണ് മക്കളെ ഇക്വി ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ. രണ്ട് പോയിന്റ്സ് ഒരു പോയിന്റിൽ നിന്ന് ഇക്വി ഡിസ്റ്റൻ്റ് ആണ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ആ ഒരു പോയിന്റിൽ നിന്ന് ഈ തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന രണ്ട് പോയിന്റിലേക്കുമുള്ള ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് എന്താണ് എന്നർത്ഥം? ഈക്വൽ ആണ് എന്നർത്ഥം. അപ്പോൾ പി ഈസ് ഇക്വി ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ഫ്രം എ ആൻഡ് ബി മീൻസ് the distance from P to A, that means PA. Okay, PA is equal for, ഏതിന് ഈക്വൽ ആയിരിക്കും? is equal for the distance from P to B, that is PB. Okay, therefore PA is equal to PB. Is very important equidistance. Okay, then we know how to find PA. Therefore PA, then we know the equation. Then what is PA? Therefore we find one by one. Okay, PA is equal to root of, equation is x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, then is equal to root of, then what is x1? We finding PA. Okay, then xy we choose as x1 y1 and 7 1 we choose as x2 y2. Then how to write? Yes, x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square. Then here x minus 7 whole square, is possible to subtract x and 7? No, it's not possible. Here also is not possible to subtract. So now we keeping like this. What is PA? PA is equal to root of x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square. Okay, finding PB, so we write the equation once again. Root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Okay, is equal to root of, how to write? X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. Okay, then here also is not possible to subtract, so we keeping like this now. Okay, then we know the idea, PA is equal to PB. Therefore root of x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to root of x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. Okay, so here we know PA is equal to PB. PA എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് PB ക്ക് ഈക്വൽ ആണെങ്കിൽ മക്കൾ ഏത് ഈക്വൽ ആയിരിക്കും? PA സ്ക്വയർ ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു PB സ്ക്വയർ അല്ലേ? PA എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് PB ക്ക് ഈക്വൽ ആണ്. PA 6, PB 6. അപ്പോൾ 6ൻ്റെ സ്ക്വയർ, PAയുടെ സ്ക്വയർ ഈ 6ൻ്റെ സ്ക്വയറിന് എന്തായിരിക്കും? ഈക്വൽ ആയിരിക്കും. സോ PA ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു PB, therefore PA സ്ക്വയർ ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു PB സ്ക്വയർ. ഓക്കെ, സോ for getting that, we want to, for finding the relation, we want to make an equation. For that we need to remove the root from both side. Okay, നമുക്ക് ഇക്വേഷൻ ഫോം ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? റൂട്ട് രണ്ട് സൈഡ് നമ്മൾ റിമൂവ് ചെയ്യണം. Okay, then how to we remove the root? For to removing the root, we squaring on the both side. We taking the square of PA and PB. Okay, we taking the square of PA and PB. Then why we to squaring on the both side? For to remove the root. Okay, then we just write squaring on both side. Squaring on both side. Therefore, if we square here, then what happened? The root will remove, then what is remaining? X minus 7 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to, here what happened? Root will remove from here, then x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. Okay, then is very clear. This one in the form of a minus b whole squares, correct? So we apply the idea, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then we write, yes, x square minus 2 into x into 7 plus 7 square plus, yes, y square minus 2 into y into 1 plus 1 square is equal to x square minus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square plus, yes, y square minus 2y into 5 plus 5 square. Then x square minus 14x plus 49 plus y square minus 2y plus 1 is equal to x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus, yes, 10y plus 25. Then anything is common in the both side of equality sign? Yes, what are? X square, the sign is also same, correct? The x square is common and sign is also same. So if you transpose, then it become minus x square. ഈ എക്സ് സ്ക്വയറും വൈ സ്ക്വയർ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് കൊണ്ടുപോയാൽ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അവിടെ നിന്ന് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് കൊണ്ടുവന്നാൽ പ്ലസ് എക്സ് സ്ക്വയർ പ്ലസ് വൈ സ്ക്വയർ എന്തായി മാറും? മൈനസ് എക്സ് സ്ക്വയറും മൈനസ് വൈ സ്ക്വയറും ആവും. അപ്പോൾ എക്സ് സ്ക്വയറിന് എക്സ് സ്ക്വയർ മൈനസ് ചെയ്ത് എത്ര കിട്ടും മക്കളെ? 0 കിട്ടും. Then the both side of equality sign we have the same measurement with equal sign. So it's possible to cancel. So we cancel x square y square and x square y square. Then what are remaining? Minus 14x minus 2y. Okay, so we taking the variables on the one side. Then minus 14x minus 2y minus 6x will transposing time plus 6x plus 10y is equal to 9 plus 25. Okay, then plus 49 means minus 49 minus 1. Okay, then minus 14x plus 6x. What is minus 14x plus 6x? Yes, is minus 8x. Minus 2y plus 10y. Minus 2y plus 10y is plus 8y. Okay, then 9 plus 25. 9 plus 25 is, yes, 34. Minus 50. Minus 49 minus 1 is minus 50. Then minus 8x. The 8x is common, correct? Or minus 8 is common. So we take minus 18 out. Then x minus y is equal to, then 34 minus 50. What is 34 minus 50? Yes, 16. Minus 16, correct? Therefore x minus y is equal to minus 16 by minus 8. So x minus y is equal to 2. What is the value of minus 16 by 8? 2. So what is the relation of x and y? The relation of x and y is x minus y is equal to 2. Then to find the relation means we want to make an equation. Okay, I think you got this idea. Our third question is like this. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2, -5 and -2, 9. Okay, here is given we want to find a point, then clearly is given the point is on the x-axis. Then what is the specialty of that point? That point is equidistant from the point 2, -5 and -2, 9. അല്ലേ? എന്താണ് മക്കളെ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത് എക്സ് ആക്സിസിലുള്ള ഒരു പോയിന്റ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. എങ്ങനെയുള്ള പോയിന്റ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം? ആ പോയിന്റ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന രണ്ട് പോയിന്റിൽ നിന്നും എങ്ങനെയാണുള്ളത്? ഈക്വൽ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസിലാണുള്ളത്. The given points are equidistant from the points on the x-axis. തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന രണ്ട് പോയിന്റും എക്സ് ആക്സിസിലെ പോയിന്റിൽ നിന്ന് എങ്ങനെയാണ്? ഈക്വൽ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസിലാണ്. We know the idea now what in by equidistance. Here is not given the coordinate of the point on the x-axis, correct? But here is given where is lies, the point is lies on the x-axis. So it is possible to consider the coordinate form. Because we already learned it, if the point is lies on the x-axis, what is the form of its coordinate? What is the nature of its coordinate? And if the point is lies on the y-axis, what is the form of the coordinate? Correct. So how do we start? We know we take that point is P. Okay, let P is a point on the x-axis, then what is the coordinate? Yes, we know if the point is lies on the x-axis, the y coordinate is 0. If the point is lies on the y-axis, yes, is x coordinate 0. Correct. The coordinate form is x 0 and 0y, or a0 and 0a. We studied like that the last year. Okay, so we starting here. Let P, okay, what is the coordinate form of P? x0, because the point is lies on the x-axis. So let P x0 be equidistant from a2 minus 5, correct, a2 minus 5 and b minus 2, 9. P x0 be equidistant from a2 minus 5 and b minus 2, 9. Okay, so for saying the coordinate form, we want to get the value of x. അല്ലേ, എക്സ് ആക്സിസിലെ പോയിന്റ് ഏതാണ്, ഈക്വൽ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസിലുള്ള പോയിന്റ് ഏതാണ് എന്ന് പറയാൻ നമുക്ക് ഇനി ഏതിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം? എക്സിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. ഓക്കെ, സോ വി യൂസ് ദ സെയിം ഐഡിയ വാട്ട് വി ഫോളോ ദ ലാസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Therefore AP or PA is equal to PB. P is equidistant from A and B means the distance from P to A is equal to distance from P to B. Okay, so we applying the formula distance is equal to root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So we finding one by one. PA is equal to root of x minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus minus 5 square. Here is possible to subtract 0 and 5, correct. Then x minus 2 is not possible to do anything, so x minus 2 square. Then 0 minus 5, 0 minus minus 5 means 0 plus 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 square is equal to 25. Okay, so we keeping here. The next PB is equal to root of x minus minus 2 square plus 0 minus 9 whole square. 0 minus 9 whole square then is equal to root of x minus minus 2 is possible to write as x plus 2 plus 0 minus 9. 0 minus 9 is minus 9. Minus 9 square is equal to 81. So now we got it PA and PB. Then we know that PA is equal to PB. If we write PA is equal to PB, then what do you get? Therefore, root of x minus 2 whole square plus 25 is equal for root of x plus 2 whole square plus 81. So what is our aim? We want to get the value of x. For find the value of x, what is next step? For finding the value of x, we want to remove the root from the both side. അല്ലേ, നമുക്ക് എക്സിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? റൂട്ട് രണ്ട് ഭാഗത്തുനിന്നും ഒഴിവാക്കണം. അപ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെയാണ് റൂട്ട് രണ്ട് ഭാഗത്തുനിന്നും ഒഴിവാക്കുക? We already learned it the last question. For that, we square on the both side. Okay, then the next step, squaring both side. Square on the both side, what happened? The root will remove, then what is remaining? Therefore, x minus 2 whole square plus 25 is equal to x plus 2 whole square plus 81. Okay, then now is very clear. Then LHS part, the one equation in the form of a minus b whole square, and the right form is a plus b whole square. So we expand x square, a square means x square minus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square plus 25 is equal to x square plus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square plus 81. Correct? Then what do you get? X square minus 4x plus 2 square is 4 plus 25 is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 81. Okay, then we taking anything is common in the both side. If we want to cancel the terms, don't forget they must be a same number with the same sign. ഒരേ സൈനും ഒരേ നമ്പറും ആണെങ്കിൽ ഒരേ ഓപ്പറേഷൻ. Okay, we want to do the same operation there with the same number with the same sign. Okay, so what is there? The x square is plus, then here also x square is plus, then we cancel to x square and x square. Why? If you transpose there, it become minus x square, then x square minus x square is 0, that is why. Okay, and we get 4 also is a plus 4, here is also plus 4, then we transpose plus 4 here is minus 4, then 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Then what is remaining? Minus 4x. Here you have the minus 4x is not possible to cancel. Why? Because it's a plus 4x, this one is minus 4x. Okay, so we taking the variable in the one side and numbers on the other side, then minus 4x is equal to what is remaining here, 81, and we transpose 25 minus 25. Then minus 4x, what is minus 4x? Minus 4x is minus 8x. 81 minus 25, what is 81 minus 25? Is 56. Therefore, x is equal to 56 minus 8. And 56 minus 8 is equal to minus 7. Correct? Then what is the value of x? The value of x is equal to minus 7. So the value of x is minus 7 means which point is equidistant. Then px0 is the point we choose. So what we like? Therefore, p minus 7 0 is the point. Minus 7 0 is the point equidistant from A and B. Okay, therefore P minus 7 0 is the point equidistant from A and B. A il ninnum B il ninnum ore distance illulla x axis le point edana minus 7 0. Okay, once again remind you the equidistance is very important. Okay, so if you want to find the value of x or y, we want to squaring on the both side in all the cases. If the point is lies on the y axis, what is it form as like this? If here the point form is x0 y, because the point is lies on the x axis. If the point is lies on the y axis, what is it form? S0 y. Okay, 0 y. All other ideas are same. Is clear?